Managing your health can be overwhelming. Understanding reports, tracking symptoms, and choosing the right treatment takes time and expertise. Introducing MediConsult Agent. It analyzes blood reports, symptoms, daily routine, and diet to provide a personalized health report, potential diagnosis, and treatment recommendations. To begin, open the Neo Pilot application. You can find all your subscribed agents in the app palette. To launch the MediConsult Agent, click this icon. MediConsult Agent has launched successfully. It requires your blood report for accurate analysis. Upload your blood report in PDF or image format. Click the Attach File icon to activate the drop area. Simply drag and drop your file here or click Browse to locate and upload it. Ensure you've selected the correct file. If needed, click Cancel to re-upload a different file. Once ready, click Send to upload your data for processing. Next, enter the symptoms you are currently experiencing. Be as detailed as possible to ensure accurate analysis. Now, enter your daily routine, including sleep patterns, work hours, exercise, and any relevant lifestyle habits. After this, describe your daily diet, including meals, snacks, and any dietary restrictions. MediConsult Agent displays a summary of the uploaded blood report, symptoms, daily schedule, and diet information. You can review all the details before proceeding. Once all details are confirmed, click Generate Analysis. MediConsult Agent generates a detailed health analysis, providing insights into your condition. Your report includes a concise overview of your health condition, Ayurveda, homeopathy, and allopathy options with cost estimates, insights into potential triggers of your condition, and personalized dietary recommendations for better health. You can click the Print Report button if you wish to generate a printable health analysis report. With MediConsult Agent, you get comprehensive health insights at your fingertips, empowering you to make informed decisions about your well-being. Get a trusted companion for medical guidance. Try MediConsult Agent today.